Welcome to Soulful Kitchen, where design meets emotion and every detail tells a story. Here, we explore dreamy spaces that mix color, texture, and joy. From India Mahdavi's playful pastels to cozy modern homes, every idea is a love letter to creativity. Let's make your kitchen feel alive again. Morning light paints the kitchen in blush and mint, wrapping every curve in a glow that feels alive. Soft terrazzo sparkles under the island's gentle edges, and brass details dance when sunlight shifts. It's playful, dreamy, and just a bit nostalgic, like waking up inside a gelato shop designed by an artist. The space hums with joy and calm all at once. Every pastel tone feels intentional, every rounded line easy on the eyes. This kitchen doesn't scream luxury, it whispers happiness, reminding you that beauty can be both light-hearted and confident in its charm. Natural light glides over lavender cabinets and pistachio counters, making everything look edible. The terrazzo island gleams softly while coral seating wraps around the breakfast nook, stealing attention with its cozy invitation. There's a softness in every surface, curves instead of corners, shine without glare. Walnut floors give a touch of elegance, grounding the candy tones. It feels like laughter in design form, cheerful but mature. This kitchen doesn't take itself too seriously, and that's its magic. It's a joyful corner of the home where creativity begins with color. The room glows in sherbet light, peach walls, mint cabinets, and a powder blue ceiling stretching high above. Brass handles flash like jewelry against concrete floors, and pastel terrazzo sparkles beneath. There's rhythm in the sunlight here, the way it bounces between the tiles and the rounded edges. It's playful and elegant, sophisticated yet inviting. The shapes are bold, the colors delicate. It feels like a celebration rather than a composition, where whimsy has purpose. And every shadow falls beautifully into its place, a space that inspires smiles before coffee even brews. Soft yellow cabinets meet pink countertops, catching sunlight through an arched opening covered in mint tile. The resin floor glows like a watercolor, gentle and alive. Bar stools in lilac curve like petals around a dreamy island, while brass lamps float overhead. It's warm, romantic, and slightly offbeat, the kind of atmosphere that feels both intentional and effortless. Everything belongs, yet nothing feels predictable. You can almost smell lavender and butter croissants in the air. This is how whimsy should live, quietly confident, soft but daring, creating happiness through color and light. Pastel pistachio blends into blush terrazzo like a sugar dream, while lilac walls frame the harmony. Sunlight hits the curved island just right, and textures come alive: lacquer, terrazzo, brass. Oak stools add warmth, grounding all that sweetness with calm. The vibe is romantic but not fragile, a place to cook barefoot and laugh freely. The whole space feels alive under golden light, whispering stories of travel, art, and late breakfasts that stretch into the afternoon. Every color sings softly. Every curve tells you life can be serious about joy too. Sage green cabinets wrap the kitchen like silk, and rose quartz counters glow softly in the morning light. A striped rug in blush and ivory stretches below, playful yet grounding. The arched backsplash shimmers with pastel mosaic, like jewelry for the wall. Each curve feels handmade, every surface warm to the touch. This isn't a loud design, it's a conversation between color and comfort. There's joy in the quiet craftsmanship, a sense of calm fun that makes you smile without realizing. The room feels alive, feminine, fresh, and wonderfully human. Soft sea breeze meets candy tones here. Sky blue cabinets, lemon plaster, pink marble counters. Warm terracotta floors hold the light like memory. Sunshine drifts in, painting shadow layers that move through the day. Everything feels slightly coastal, but with an India Mahdavi wink, playful, chic, unexpected. The bowls are hand-painted, the handles glint like gold threads. It's a kitchen that feels alive with laughter, where romance means relaxed comfort, not rules. Time slows here, and every pastel surface seems to glow with joy. Coral terrazzo sparkles behind mint cabinetry, sunlight sliding over quartz countertops. Arched shelves hold soft lilac pottery, each piece adding a brushstroke of personality. The palette feels fresh, like a spring morning that never ends. Brass accents add warmth, while creamy floors balance all that playfulness. It's artful without trying too hard, just cheerful shapes, light reflections, and easy elegance. There's something soothing about the way everything curves. It feels like optimism built into architecture, a kitchen that says, "Stay a while, life tastes better in color." Pale blush meets sky blue marble on fluted cabinetry that glows like morning mist. The island is smooth, sculpted, kissed by light filtering through sheer drapes. Rounded fixtures float above, shining gently. Nothing here cuts harshly. It all flows, moves, breathes. The textures, soft plaster, polished stone, create balance between boldness and comfort. It's romantic but grounded in simplicity. Every angle feels photographed by sunlight itself. A kitchen designed not just to be seen, but to be felt in quiet, happy moments. Rosy tiles climb the backsplash, meeting ivory cabinets edged in soft brass. Sunlight warms butcher block counters and pastel lavender stools tucked neatly under the island. Every corner seems softly filtered, glowing in shades that feel almost edible. The hood's curved form and glossy finish add sculptural charm, while the air smells faintly of warmth and wonder. This isn't just design, it's emotion made physical. The space radiates kindness, like a love letter to color. It's gentle, playful, and invites joy into every inch of the day. Apricot hues meet teal accents in a kitchen alive with rhythm and story. The terrazzo floor dances in the sunlight, its speckled pattern like confetti frozen mid-laughter. The island curves effortlessly, softening the geometry. Brass pendants dangle above, catching golden flashes. The design feels retro, yet fresh, mid-century optimism reimagined for modern taste. It doesn't just look good, it makes you feel something bright and immediate. A kitchen that hums with memory and anticipation, playfully elegant, perfectly imperfect. Powder blue cabinets and butter yellow handles create an easy charm, while terrazzo surfaces shimmer in soft daylight. Light drapes across the open floor, revealing shape, texture, rhythm. Everything feels smooth, approachable, sophisticated but never stiff. The minimalist shapes let the colors breathe. The pastels melt together like cream and sky. It's peaceful without emptiness, stylish without effort. A space so calm, you half expect music to start when morning arrives. The details whisper, the light does the talking. Lilac walls glow in daylight against mint cabinetry and champagne-toned hardware. A marble island sits at the heart, its polished surface reflecting round pendant globes above. Velvet stools in soft blush line the counter, each one whispering comfort. The patterned floor anchors it all with sophisticated ease. Every color feels alive, deliberate, celebratory. Nothing overwhelms, everything converses. It's a room that feels both timeless and new, charming in that quiet, confident Mahdavi way where beauty doesn't try. It just exists. Peach plaster walls and teal cabinets meet in bold harmony, grounded by rose terrazzo. Sunlight streams from above, wrapping the rattan pendants in liquid gold. The tones speak softly, creating warmth rather than chaos. It feels vibrant yet peaceful, touched by artistry and joy. The materials play like a melody, warm earth, joyful color, calm light. There's romance in every imperfection, life in every curve. It's not a kitchen, it's a feeling, beautifully human, endlessly uplifting, effortlessly. Each design shown here celebrates warmth, whimsy, and the art of joyful living. Let your kitchen reflect who you are, colorful, confident, and full of life. If these ideas inspired you, give this video a like, subscribe for more soulful kitchen stories, and share your favorite concept in the comments below.